Hi guys, welcome to Focus Android YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to set reminders on the Google Keep application. This will be useful as a reminder of the text which you have written in your notes. Okay, first we need to open the Google Keep application and please select which note you want to set a reminder. You can see the bell symbol on the top right. Tap on it. Here are several options that you can choose directly, or you can tap pick up date and time to set more specific time. Okay, the first is to select the date. You can choose today, tomorrow, next Monday, or you can pick up date. And I press OK. Then in the time section, you can also choose pick up time to choose more specific time. And press OK. After that, you can choose whether you want this reminder to be repeat or not. You can choose to repeat every day, every week, every month, every year, or you can choose custom to choose a time frame every few days. You can also choose how long this event will last. And finally, you can choose the location if you have a specific location in this reminder. If everything is done, hit save, then reminder will appear below according to the time you choose. You can tap here to edit or delete this reminder. When it's time, a reminder will appear like this in the notification section of your smartphone. Okay, I hope you found this video is useful and see you in the next video.